Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Range Rover HSE. This is a luxury edition. We're going to be changing out these little glass struts right here. This is going to be for the glass window. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll get started here in just a moment. Before we get started, this right here is going to be the part number. Again, this is going to be for the rear glass hatch struts. If yours are bad, this is the part number right there. Pretty sure the only tool you'll need is a flat blade screwdriver. So you notice when you pop your hatch, or at least on mine, well, of course now it's holding, but it's kind of flimsy. I'm going to be replacing the struts right here. I know I just said you don't need any tools, but you should get some type of plastic pry bar or just like a long pipe or of some kind just to hold it up in place so that when you remove these right here, it doesn't fall on you. Alright, so now you're going to take your flat blade screwdriver. Let me go and try to zoom it in. Just kind of pry it right here. Okay, once you get that high enough, it should pop off. Like that. You can do the same thing on this bottom side. So now you're going to take your replacement part. I'm just putting it on the ground right here. You're going to flip both of these tabs upward so that it goes on a little bit easier, so you won't struggle so much when you're working on the car. Whoop. Just pry this in here. Again, we're just trying to get this to open up so that this inserter here goes easily onto the hatch. Alright, so this is what mine looks like right here. I just again put in that flat blade screwdriver. Get some contrast on here. And I'm flipping that up so that this end goes right onto that little nub, and then same thing on the other side, so that it goes onto that little nub a little easier. Let's go back to the rear. Alright, so now going back to the rear, go ahead and flip this on. And then same thing with this top part. So that is now done. It is super tight, which is great. If you like this DIY, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you on the next one.